These treats so like yummy. I have to thank you, Mega Man. These will go well for Frostfest. Well, I do know my frozen treats. Especially because with three flavors like this blue raspberry one. Yeah, and don't forget original cherry, little bro. And who is that, Mega Man? Oh yeah, that's my older brother, Protoman. He was created before me. Yeah, so now with these we could just take them and wheeze the juice. Buddy? Wheeze the juice? What does that mean? Well, it's a term from the 90s. So you pretty much have to watch Encino Man to know what we're saying.